Hey Charm Squad, this is Envy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I upload new videos. Today is just going to be a short, quick unboxing for Notpolish. It's a small order that I got from them. I think I opened the first 2 jars and then I actually just take everything out, but I do swatch everything for you so you guys do actually get to see what the colors look like. And there are 2 that glow in the dark, so I will actually show you that as well. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy, and then I'll be back at the end.
Stepping up place, feeling the fear. I know you feeling it in the air. Whole squad wearing all black. Motivation's looking real bad. We back to the bone, raising a fire alone. We ain't never needed nobody. Give me 6 feet, this is my party. Ain't got no feelings, we heartless. Take a peek inside the darkness. Blow up the spot, then we run it. Ready or not, here we coming. Somebody better say a prayer for me. Tonight may get a little crazy. You can meet me outside, but you better buckle.
Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in so I can show you guys what I'm pointing at. I do show you that there's a perforated line on these, so you can actually make them into smaller forms, but they do come with the long forms. So you can use them as long, and then you can use them as short.
Party till 5 in the morning. Do it again in the morning. Do it like we didn't ride me. I think the government watching. Minister perfect society. Struggling with my sobriety. Struggling with my anxiety. Are you feeling the insanity? Anger inside of me. There is a war in me. And it keep trying to me. Blinded by all of the vanity. Snakes all around and they rattling. Tell them to shut up the chattering. Blow up the spot, then we run it. Ready or not, here we coming. Somebody better say a prayer for me. Tonight may get a little crazy. You can meet me outside, but you better buckle up. It's a wild ride. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild side. Hope you ready for it now. We gon' be running your town. Oh, we ain't playing around. We gon' be shutting it down. Hope you ready for it now. We gon' be running your town. Oh, we ain't playing around. We gon' be shutting it down. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild side.
that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar sweet. Ooh, that sugar Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar, just my kind of heat. Ooh, that sugar. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Ooh, that sugar. You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door. Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding on. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I'll go to bed and wake up broken hearted. Just one more turn and I'm back where I started. I've been swinging like a pendulum. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding on. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding on. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I've been swinging like a pendulum for you. I'll go to bed and wake up broken hearted. Just one more turn and I'm back where I started. I've been swinging like a pendulum.
Alright, you guys, so I'm hoping that you're enjoying all the glitters. Now it's time to glow in the dark. And I love these colors. Oh, I'm showing you guys my palettes, how they glow in the dark. There are the two colors that I swatch, which is the clear aqua and the Narcos. And look at how amazing they glow in the dark, you guys. It is, oh, it's so gorgeous and so luscious. I absolutely love it. Anyways, you guys, this is the end of the video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you guys and all the colors. I do want to thank you so very much for joining me today, and thank you all for your love and support. I love you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I will see you next time. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.